Meantime, there is serious concern in Florida and the Gulf Coast about a deadly bacteria found in warm salt water. Officials say it has killed 10 people this year and infected more than 20 others. We get more now from NBC's Mark Potter.
Henry Konetsky used to love to fish and wade for crabs and was doing just that last month near Ormond Beach, Florida. But after he got home, his wife Patty saw something wrong.
During the night, he woke up. There was a small abrasion on his ankle. We thought it was a spider bite.
By morning, Konetsky was in terrible pain and was rushed to the hospital as the infection spread.
It just ravaged his body so fast.
2 days later, he died, the victim of a flesh-eating bacteria known as Vibrio vulnificus, which is commonly found in warm salt water. Doctors say there are 2 ways to be infected by it.
One is from an open sore on the body, typically the legs, where you walk out into the warm, salty or brackish water, bay water, or in the Gulf.
Infection can also happen by eating tainted, uncooked shellfish, especially oysters. So far this year, there have been 32 known infections in Florida and 10 deaths. Last year, 9 Florida deaths. The year before, 13. The cases of infection this year were reported in 22 Florida counties. The deaths occurred in 9 of those counties. But the Centers for Disease Control says the threat extends from Florida all along the Gulf Coast to Texas. Doctors say this bacteria can be especially dangerous for people with already compromised immune systems. But for most people, there's little to worry about. Experts caution swimmers and fishermen with cuts or sores to stay out of the water and urge people, especially those who are already unhealthy, to cook their shellfish to avoid this warm water threat. Mark Potter, NBC News, Miami.